Hi there, this is Naresh here, and today we are going to talk about a technique to make the bad memories ineffective. And this technique can also be used for anxiety. Now, a bad memory is a bad memory only till it produces that strong emotion, that strong feeling inside you. And the moment you dissociate that emotion from that memory and you make that emotion ineffective, that memory is just a past instance, an instance that happened in the past. It is no longer a bad memory. Before going forward with this technique, there are a couple of precautions. Number one, do not do this technique when you are driving or operating heavy machinery. And in fact, find a place where you can sit comfortably, where no one will disturb you, and you are safe and you are in control. Second, do not do this technique if you are afraid of heights or elevators, because this technique uses both. For the people who are afraid of heights and elevators, heights or elevators, there are other techniques. This technique is for people who are comfortable with heights and elevators. And always realize that anytime you find there is any discomfort, you can stop this audio and get into your normal state. So let's go ahead with the technique and imagine that and as you're sitting there, think about the event which is causing you anxiety or a bad memory. And notice, as soon as you think about that event or memory, some images come to your mind. And there may be some sound also. Notice the images and the sound and the level of feeling, the level of emotion inside you. Now imagine that this event is happening at the ground floor, at the ground level. Notice the images, notice the sounds and your feelings. And as it happens, imagine that there is an elevator behind you. This is the world's tallest elevator. Just go inside the elevator and go to the first floor. From the first floor, look down and see from that height how are the images, the sounds of the event that is happening at the ground floor. If you have difficulty in seeing, imagine that there is no roof or the roof is of the glass. And notice the images, the sounds and the feelings inside your body. Now go to the fifth floor. Come out of the elevator. Look down at the event that you left at the ground floor. and notice the images, the sounds, and the characters. You may find that the characters have become smaller and the sounds have diminished. And notice the feeling inside you, the emotion inside you. Go back inside the elevator. Now go to the 10th floor. Come out of the elevator. Look down at the event that was happening at the ground floor. See the images. You may notice that the images have become much smaller. The sounds have diminished. Or you may not be able to hear anything. That's okay. And just notice the feeling. The feeling would have also diminished. Immediately go back to the 20th floor. Come out of the elevator. Look down. And you may not be able to see anything. You may not be able to hear anything. And notice the feeling. It would have gone. Just in case, go back inside the elevator. Go to the 50th floor. From the 50th floor, look down. You will not be able to notice anything. No images, no sounds, no feelings. Now, since this is the world's tallest elevator, go up, come out in the clouds. Give this cloud a color, your favorite color. In case no color comes to your mind, imagine that it is pink color cloud, because pink is associated with a good health. Now from the cloud, look down, give your unconscious the time to take all the learning from the event and leave the event behind. Take your time, and once you are ready, just come out, come back to wherever you are sitting. Just move around, look here and there, notice the things around you, or maybe tell yourself the last 5 digits of your mobile number. Now for the last time, try to think about the event or the bad memory or the memory that was bad, and you will notice that nothing comes to the mind. That's it. You're free now. Thank you very much for listening and playing around and playing along. This is Naresh here from Living with NLP. Good day, good night, bye.